How to add DypiusOLD on MetaMask. Are you guys facing issues to add DypiusOLD on your MetaMask application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MetaMask on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now tap on the plus icon. After you click the plus icon, tap on search bar and search for DypiusOLD. In order to add DYP, just take this box and hit the next button. You can see the import button, tap on it. As soon as you click on the import button, DypiusOLD will be added on your MetaMask application. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna add Dypius on MetaMask application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.